A program to allow financial firms to experiment and create innovative products has also been expanded. It will fund early adopters of new FinTech with grants of up to $500,000 next year. And they will also get access to investors and networks to make new deals. The Regulatory Sandbox is aimed at getting more FinTech in the country. This comes amid the rise of Web 3.0, where users share information without the need of a third-party network. It could also mean more decentralized finance, or DeFi. Transactions can be made without a bank, like using technology like blockchain.
These open crypto networks can potentially reduce the cost of finance. And when firms of all sizes and even individuals can directly access financial infrastructure, it could mean more competition and inclusion. But DeFi is not without risk and vulnerability. These open crypto networks are not at this stage where they can meet the high standards of governance, security, and resilience that are required by central banks and regulators.